Hey guys, so we are unboxing this quite late. 2021's holiday collection, Little Wishes, BTS. Very behind on unboxing this, but let's open it anyways. Ooh. It's like the stickiness from my Christmas tree is falling off. I'll have to just sticky that back on. All right, let's see what we got. You heard nothing. Nothing fell. All right, so let's see. Let's go with box number 1. We've got photo cards. There we go, set of photo cards. Number 2, we have a group photo card and a acrylic ornament and a string to tie it all together, because this has a little hole in the top as well right here, so you can have the ornament hang in front of the card if you want. Something like that. Okay, number 3. This will actually get to be my first year having a Christmas tree. So it'll be nice to hang some cool stuff up on it. Okay, number 3. Is it a message in a bottle? Yes, it is. Ooh. Okay. So it's like a little sticker thing that says BTS. So let's put that on our bottle. BTS. And then what's our note say? 2021 collection, Little Wishes. So RMs, here, I'll zoom in more since these aren't going to be that big. RMs, then we got Jin. It's kind of hard to see their name in white. Chugas. We got next J-Hope, Jimin, V, and then Jungkook. Okay. I don't know if I can get this as small as it was before. Got kind of chunky hands, so. Message back in the bottle. All right, number 4. What we got? Oh, washi tape. I've actually been using my washi tape lately from all like the merch stuff that I buy. Oh, it's not. It's not washi tape. It's ribbon. So I guess if you wanted to like wrap a gift with it, put a little ribbon on it. Let's see if I can't. Here we go. Peel the tape. I'll left a little sticky residue. So it looks like we just get some ornaments, members' names, and then it just repeats. So I'll just leave this back up real fast. That'll be cute to use. Okay, number 5. This one's kind of big. What we got? Got like a tear spot. Here it is. Oh, it's a scented thing. I don't really like scenty things, but you have a little string here. You can thread it through and then try to tie it and hang it on something. I don't know how I'd knot it like there. I'd probably just take some glue. But it's a scented thing. Doesn't really say, and it smells more like just Dove soap than anything to me anyways. So we got a Dove soap air freshener. Not too... Okay. Number 6. Ah, a little pen. How cute is that? A little Christmas tree. A little glitter in there. In the last box, we have more photo cards. My favorite thing to get in a Christmas box. All right. Alright, and there it all is. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next video, bye guys.